In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and back up photos with OneDrive. First things first, let's locate the OneDrive icon on your taskbar. This is your gateway to a secure and organized storage for your precious photos. Once you see the icon, give it a click to open the OneDrive menu. Here you'll find various options tailored for managing your files. Next, click on Settings. This action opens up a world of possibilities to customize and optimize your OneDrive usage. Settings is where you control how and when your data is backed up. Now go to the Sync and Backup tab. This section is crucial as it aligns OneDrive to your needs, ensuring that your files are copied safely into the cloud while keeping everything updated in real time. Once you're in the Sync and Backup tab, you'll see an option to Manage Backup. Click on this to choose which folders you want to back up automatically, including the all-important photo directory. And just like that, you're on your way to safeguarding your memories. Make sure you enable the backup for photos. This allows OneDrive to keep a secure copy of your photos in the cloud. You'll thank yourself later when you have peace of mind knowing your photos are safe from technical mishaps. Now let's go to your OneDrive online account, head over to your internet browser and log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Photos section. This is where your photos are organized and ready to be accessed from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Here you can select which photos you want to share. Whether it's a group of photos from a special event or just a single snapshot, you have the flexibility to choose. Once you've made your selection, click on the Share button. This is where OneDrive really shines by making the sharing process smooth and straightforward. You'll be prompted to enter the names or email addresses of the people you want to share with. Add a personal touch by including a message if you like. A little note can make receiving photos feel extra special for the person on the other end. Before you proceed, look for the Can View option. This lets you specify if the recipient can only view or also edit the photos. For sharing photos, typically choosing Can View is best, keeping your originals safe from any unintentional edits. Finally, click Send. And there you have it, your photos are not only securely backed up, but also effortlessly shared with friends and family. With these simple steps, OneDrive becomes an ideal platform for both storing and sharing your precious memories. Keep practicing these steps and you'll become a pro in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in making your digital photo management just a bit easier.